and today I'm going to share how can you do facial at your home. Like as we all know, festive and wedding seasons are on its way and we just love to pamper ourselves these days, mostly during weddings, and facial is sort of thing जो बहुत लोग हर month करवाते हैं and they go on spending lots and lots of money on their salon, जो कि आप खुद घर पे कर सकते हो, प्लस आप बहुत अच्छा अमाउंट सेव कर सकते हो, फॉर विच यू जस्ट नीड फ्यू थिंग्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू शुड हैव टाइम, विच आई फील लाइक अगर आप सैलून में टाइम दे सकते हो तो आप डेफिनेटली घर पे दे ही सकते हो. सेकेंडली यू शुड हैव अ फेशियल किट, एंड आई थिंक अगर आप सैलून में एक बार में फेशियल कराने के लिए 1000 रुपीज़ स्पेंड कर रहे हो, आप उसी अमाउंट से एक अच्छा फेशियल किट खरीद सकते हो एंड आप उसे मल्टीपल टाइम यूज़ कर सकते हो. एंड थर्डली यू शुड नो दी प्रोसीडियर एंड स्टेप ऑफ डूइंग दी फेशियल, जो कि मैं आज आप लोग को शो करूँगी. सो या दैट्स ऑल यू नीड, एंड आप खुद का फेशियल खुद घर पे कर सकते हो. And the facial kit I'll be using today is this Oriflame Love Nature facial kit, and it is a fruit facial. Like इसमें सारे natural ingredients हैं, मैं कोई भी kind of chemical facial नहीं करती अपने ऊपर. and ये product मेरे पास बहुत लंबे टाइम से है. like मैं monthly facial नहीं करती, मैं बस occasionally या फिर कोई events में ही करती हूँ. and this is the amount of product left. मैंने इसे बहुत बार यूज़ किया but still I have so much product left. and इसके अंदर आपको 4 प्रोडक्ट मिल जाएंगे, 1 2 3 4. एंड इसके बैक पे आपको सारे स्टेप्स मेंशन किए गए हैं जो लाइक किसके बाद कौन सा स्टेप फॉलो करना है. सो या दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट, एंड नाउ आई विल बी शोइंग यू द प्रॉपर प्रोसीजर ऑफ डूइंग फेशियल. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड.
सो फेशियल स्टार्ट करने से पहले मेक श्योर आपने अपने फेस को क्लीन वाटर से अच्छे से क्लीन कर लिया है. देन टाई योर हेयर प्रॉपरली विद अ हेयर बैंड सो दैट योर हेयर डजंट कम टू योर फेस व्हाइल डूइंग फेशियल. So yeah, we are ready for the facial, and these are the 4 products we are going to use step by step. The first and the foremost step is cleansing. क्लिनज़र हमारे फेस पे जितने भी एक्सेस डर्ट पार्टिकल्स है उसे रिमूव करने में हेल्प करता है, एंड ऑल्सो ये हमारे स्किन को डीप क्लीन करके फर्दर प्रोसेस के लिए प्रिपेयर करता है. सो आई एम टेकिंग गुड अमाउंट ऑफ क्लिनजिंग लोशन ऑन माई पाम, एंड देन मैं इसे अपने पूरे फेस एंड नेक पे अप्लाई कर लूँगी. नाउ आई विल स्टार्ट मसाजिंग इट ऑल ओवर माई फेस एटलीस्ट फॉर 3 to 4 minutes. You don't have to use any sort of professional massaging step for it. You can just massage it the way you massage while doing face wash. But make sure आप अपने फेस के कॉर्नर्स पार्ट पे ज़्यादा कॉन्सेंट्रेट कर रहे हो, because those are the place where the dirts get clotted. Mostly on the side of your nose, ends of your mouth, your chin area, corners of your ears, neck, and also under your eyes. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर टू मसाज इट ऑन अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन. हमें कभी भी डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में मसाज नहीं करना चाहिए, इससे रिंकल होने के चांसेस बढ़ जाते हैं. So I have massaged the cleanser properly for 3 to 4 minutes. Now using a clean wet cloth or a towel, I will remove the cleanser properly from my face. Now my face is properly cleaned. The next step is scrubbing. Scrubbing your face helps to exfoliate your skin and helps to remove dead skins, blackheads and whiteheads. I am taking generous amount of the scrub and will apply it all over my face and neck. Now while doing this step, you have to be very gentle to your skin. This step is very similar to the normal scrubbing. You just have to massage the scrub all over your face. Mostly concentrate on the area where you have blackheads and whiteheads, which is mostly on the chin or the nose area. नाउ अगर आपको फील हो रहा है कि आपका स्किन ड्राई हो रहा है वाइल स्क्रबिंग, यू कैन टेक फ्यू ड्रॉप्स ऑफ वाटर एंड अगेन स्टार्ट मसाजिंग इट. Do not bring the scrub close to your eye area because they are the most sensitive part of your whole face and you can get irritation on your eyes. Do not leave your neck area and your ears. Now after scrubbing my face for 5 to 6 minutes, I am done with the scrubbing part. अब मैं एक clean cloth से पूरे scrub को remove कर लूँगी. Remove the scrub properly from your face. There should be no granules of the scrub left because it can be disturbing while doing other steps. I have properly removed the scrub and मैंने अपनी स्किन को अच्छे से ड्राई कर लिया है. The next step is steaming, which will help in opening up the pores so that all the nutrients in the massage cream can get intact with the pores and can provide its benefit. Now अगर आपके पास steamer है then you can use that. I don't have, so I am using this process, which is by dipping the cloth into a hot water and squeezing the excess of the water and then putting it back on my face. In this process the steam in the cloth will get intact with your face. And अगर आप चाहो तो आप direct steam भी ले सकते हो by putting your face in a bucket or bowl full of warm water, as I have shown in the picture above. I prefer this step which I am showing you right now because it is much more simple and convenient for me. You just have to do is put the warm cloth on your face, and after a while when you feel like there is no more steam left in the cloth, remove the cloth, dip it back into the hot water and repeat the same step. मैं 4 to 5 टाइम ये step को repeat करूँगी and then yes, I am done with the steaming. The next step is removing blackheads and whiteheads. By using such kind of applicator which is known as blackheads remover, I will remove the blackheads and whiteheads which are clogged into the pores of my nose and the chin area. You don't have to be harsh doing this step, you just need to put minimum pressure. If there will be any blackheads or whiteheads on the area, it will come out itself. Honestly, I don't have blackheads, but I have whiteheads on my chin part. So thoroughly cleaning it, this step can be slightly painful and can make your area red, but do not worry, it will be fine in a while. So now I have cleaned my pores properly. The next step is massaging, which is the most important and relaxing step in the overall facial. Massaging our face helps in blood circulation, sculpts our face, drains out the excess fluid on our face and also provides oxygen to our skin. There are varieties of professional massaging strokes, but we won't be going that deep. मैं बस आप लोगों को important massaging strokes show करूँगी. First of all, apply the massage cream all over your face and neck and then spray some water. I am using rose water, which is more beneficial. Start with the first massaging stroke, which is known as general stroke. In this process, you have to massage the cream all over your face in circular motion. The second massaging stroke is known as uplifting. Using 2 fingers, we will massage our face in upward direction. This step will help in lifting up your face. Repeat the same to the other side. The third massaging stroke is for upper lips and lower lips. This massaging stroke helps to fade out the wrinkles on your lip area. We just need to massage it in circular motion as I am showing you here. The next massaging stroke is for shaping up the chin. This massage stroke helps to shape up the chin and helps to remove the fats collected on your chin area, which is known as double chin. It also helps to remove the excess fluid collected on the area. The next massaging stroke is for lifting up the cheekbone area. This massaging stroke helps to lift the cheekbone area and give it a firm shape. The next massaging stroke is for forehead. First of all, massage your forehead in circular motion and then using 2 fingers, massage it in upward and downward motion the way I am showing you here. This massage will help in relaxing and also will provide blood circulation on your forehead. The next massaging stroke is for nose to eyebrow. This massaging stroke is good for people having sinus. It will provide relaxation, will remove headache and will also help to shape up your eyebrows. Now I am just repeating back the same step, and while massaging, if you feel your skin is getting dry, you can spray back the rose water or normal water and then start massaging it again. The next massaging stroke is for neck area. Massage the neck area in upward direction as I am showing you here. And then using 2 fingers, massage it on the back of your ears. This will provide you a good relaxation. And now I'm just repeating the same massage strokes again. You need to keep on massaging your face at least for 15 minutes. So keep on repeating the same strokes again and again. Now by folding my fingers, I'll massage it all over my face in circular motion. The next massaging stroke is for eye area. Using 2 fingers, I'll massage my eyes gently in clockwise direction, and then I will move it back and forth in upward direction. This step will provide relaxation and blood circulation to the eyes. Now using your palm, just close your eyes the way I am showing you here. This step will provide warmth and relaxation to your eyes. Repeat the same step for 4 to 5 times. So now I am done with the massage. I will remove the massage cream from my face using a wet towel. The next step is applying a face mask. This face mask will help in brightening up your skin and also will provide glow to your face. Apply a good amount of face mask all over your face and neck and then leave it to dry for at least 20 minutes. The face mask has completely dried. Now I will be removing it using a wet towel. The last step is moisturizing your skin. After using a face mask, our skin gets dried, so we need to apply a moisturizer for hydration. So this was the overall facial steps. I hope it was really helpful for you guys. Now there are few things you need to keep on your mind after you do a facial. The first point is, do not wash your face with any sort of face wash. This will just ruin the overall facial and you won't get that glow. You can wash your face like with normal water. And also do not expose your skin the day you do facial, like it will just tan your skin. So this was all about it. I hope you liked the video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon on my next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.